uJesu athi loyo muntu loyo waqala ukuyenza iCoca-Cola. That person, he was a satanist, and ukuthi bekanemali, it is not a problem, kodwa waqala icompany le ye Coca-Cola ngalesikhathi yena asebenza loSathane umuntu loyo. So that is why iCoca-Cola, it is black, and then everything efakwe kule Coca-Cola thina angeke siyibone ngamehlo wethu efakwe ngaphakathi kuCoca-Cola. Bazalwane, iCoca-Cola, the black one, izinto zikaSathane. Well, angeke uthele ipoison or nani ngaphakathi kuyo, kodwa kunemimeya ngaphakathi kule Coca-Cola. Kwavela futhi enye sign evelisa iPepsi Cola. iPepsi Cola imnyama njenge Coca-Cola. Mazalwane, ama drink lawo ane problem. Lapha in the kingdom of darkness, uSathane proud because abantu lapha emhlabeni bayayithanda Coca-Cola le mnyama. Abantu bayayithanda, baya ema-restaurant bathenga iKentucky ngabaqede bathenga Coca-Cola. Abanandaba ne-Sprite, abanandaba ne-Stone or what. Abantu bathanda Coca-Cola. Bazalwane, kune-secret kule Coca-Cola, ne? Ngifuna ukunitshela uJesu athi the founder of this Coca-Cola, he was a Satanist. Ngiyandlula lapho. Then ke bazalwane, uJesu athi sitshela bazalwane bangahambi balokhu badla everything la bahamba khona. Kunendawo uthola ukuthi abantu bayenze imigidi yamasangoma. As long as wena you are a Christian, ungali la kwenza umsebenzi yamasangoma khona, and ungasitsheli ukuthi lapho it's your relative, ifamily yakho, irelative yakho kanjani. As long as you are a Christian, ungali inyama nokudla la kwenze khona imisebenzi yamasangoma. Siyazwana bazalwane, because ngesikhathi bahlaba that animal bakhuluma nemimeya, imimeya iyasuka emathunini ize kule jaridi le bazoyenza khona umsebenzi khona. Amademoni ahlala lapho emini nasebusuku ngoba abanikazi balomsebenzi lomasangoma babizile imimeya leyo yabogogo nabobani bani, and abogogo lapho amademoni ngoba abogogo bethu bashona baya ezihokweni, abanye baya ezulwini, kuya ngokuthi basebenzele kuphi. So uSathane uyakhona ukusebenzisa imizimba yabantu abashonile lapha emathunini. Ukhona ukusebenzisa imizimba yabantu abashone bangasindiswanga, kodwa as long usindisiwe and washona and kwatholakala ukuthi igama lakho likhona ezulwini, wangena ezulwini ngesikhathi ushonile, wangena ezulwini because igama lakho likhona ezulwini. uSathane namademoni wakhe nabathakathi nama-satanist angeke basondele ethuneni lakho ngoba ithuna lakho lihlala livutha umlilo, and loyo mlilo ubonwa abathakathi nama-satanist only. So abasondeli ethuneni lakho, kodwa kulamathuna wabantu abogogo bethu bakudala bashona bayenze izinto zesintu banganandaba noJesu, bashona bangasindiswanga. Abathakathi bayakhona ukuvusa amathambo walabantu abalele, bafake amademoni kule mizimba leyo eshonile emathuneni, then imizimba yenza njani? Iyaphuma ethuneni.